Alright guys, we kept the packages in overnight. There's stuff in these packages. But we went to pick them up. They were kind of, calm. But man, listen to them. You can hear that. And the buzz. I thought that was just so wild to actually hear that as loud as it is. It's probably, it got down to upper 20s last night, so we got home in the house, 70 degrees, sprayed them down with sugar water good, and Steph's going to install them in just a little bit. Alright, here's Cookie's packages. Alright guys, Steph's got her bees today. We're going to put the packages in. We're going to do a little video, bring you along, just to show you the basic hive construction that Steph's running. We got this, it's a brushy mountain screen bottom board. It's the one with the landing ramp on it. And then slatted rack. She decided to go with the slatted rack to give them additional ventilation. And they really work. So I notice in the summertime, the hives that do not have the slatted racks, they'll be bearding, and the ones with the slatted racks will not. It gives them a whole lot more ventilation, and it's just essential as far as we're concerned. We've had really good luck with the slatted racks. Running deep brood chambers, 10 frame, and of course the crimp wire foundation and the deeps. Alright guys, going to put a package in. Steph's got a few packages to add to her apiary, and figured we'd bring you along with us to just show you a quick install video. Got a smoker standing by just in case, but more than likely we're probably not really even going to need it. But as you see, the package has a little piece of Luan board stapled on top. Directly under that is your canister of sugar syrup. You can tell there it's still sealing the entrance off, but I've removed the staples out of this board. But right now, probably the hardest part of installing a package is getting out the sugar syrup can. But first off, what we're going to do is spray the bees with some sugar water liberally. It'll calm them down, and it'll make them more inclined to try to start feeding, and it'll kind of keep them a little calmer. It'll also keep them from flying. Guys, if you're using fresh foundation, also kind of hose them down too. That'll encourage them to start making wax. think we're in good shape. We'll go ahead and just give it a little gentle knock, drop them to the bottom of the box.
Stayed all together, didn't it? Yeah. Need something to pry that out with.
I got this.
Camera stick can.
Set it to the side, and we'll use it for later. Just cover them for a minute, and next thing all right, guys, we're going to actually mark our queen. They offered them treated and untreated, marked and unmarked. It's like we can save the $5 and mark them. The queen cage actually fell in, so. Alright guys, the queen cage actually came off, so just gonna go on and give them a dump.
I think I just fall down.
There she is there.
You just set that over top of it. We'll probably work your way down in there.
Guys, if you notice, they're clumped up pretty good there. They're good and wet, and it's a little cool, so they're not super mobile. But I will gently feather them out there and spread them out, and then add the frames. All right, guys. We're going to give this colony a head start, so we're going to add 2 frames of honey per package, and we got some drawn out foundation as well. So we got a couple frames of honey, a couple things of drawn out foundation. I'll get the queen up later and we'll mark her. But right now we'll just go on and move our bees. Actually, that's just right about the right size. See, I'm already taken to that frame. I'll introduce this from the side and gently push it over, and it'll just gingerly slide them out of the way. It's real easy. Keep from crushing them. guys. Get our queen. Alright guys, quick queen marking little cage there. It's just a pill bottle and this here's like a little wash bag for doing laundry and stuff, like a mesh bag. Took and cut the top of the pill bottle out. A little bit of packing materials, just a piece of a sponge, glued it onto a piece of particle board. Anyhow, so right now we'll release the queen. And of course she's being a little stubborn. There she. Come on, honey, come on out.
There she goes.
Alright, we got her. Alright, she's down on the bottom. And now I'll get her I'm just gently pushing up on her, if you can see her. I don't really like the way she is, so I'll let her move around a little more. There we go. And I think 18 colors red, I believe. We got the next best thing with orange. Show you there, guys. And I'll just hold her there stable for a while. Made the mistake one time of letting her up and she smeared the paint all over her wings. My mistake. But now I'll just pop her down and let her dry for a while. Alright, we'll let her dry a little more. I'll pull up a frame, place her on the frame, and we'll tighten it up. That will be one package install. It's that simple, folks. Not much to it. Don't be intimidated by it. Of course, take your correct safety precautions, and you'll be fine.
I can't tell his name.
There you go, Steph.
Is it on?
Let's release her out on the frame. She's on the thing.
There she is.
There she goes. She's in there.
Alright, there she is. Let's put her in. Tighten this up, get done with this stuff. Guys, top it off, hive top feeder full of 50-50 sugar syrup.